making a pillow fort, I think. Right?
Yeah, it's a pillow party. And it's no, I don't want that. It's 12:56 in the AM, not the PM, because it was PM, and there would be light outside.
Oh,
and
yeah.
there's no light. It's dark.
Oh my god!
Oh no!
Oh.
Oh yeah, I think we're gonna go to bed soon.
Seriously?
No.
What's wrong with you?
No, but I will be crashing soon, that's for sure. Can I pillow?
You want a videotape?
Yeah, I'll videotape you.
I don't know what to do. Oh boy.
What if we had a massive pillow fight with
Yeah, that'd be amazing.
you know?
Yeah. Alright, very nice.
What if we had a sea of pillows?
That'd be cool. And
Just
to swim,
swim.
swim in the ocean.
I can't swim!
Good job, good job.
Champion!
Telebian. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay. We're just gonna turn off the video camera. What are you looking for? I have nothing.
know if you had like long pockets like all the boys do.
I do have long pockets. Fucking
Oh!
my God.
That's perfect!
No wonder they go like right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, girl. Guys are nasty. But perfume is delicious. Here's my favorite. Hiding from the world. Lucky you. Lucky you. Nice butt, Kate.
Oh yeah,
Her inbox is very full. I am worried.
Yeah, your future boyfriend.
He's such a cutie. Thanks. I know, girl. I know. You're just so cute. I know. I can feel you. Oh my